Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I am going to guide you through how you can see the devices where you are logged in on Discord. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Discord app in your device. Then tap on settings icon. Next, tap on devices. Next, you can see the devices where you are logged in. So, this is how you can see devices where you are logged in on Discord. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another updates.